This spring and summer, there's a new tomato in town. This is the Double Truss cherry tomato, and it's got super long and vigorous double trussing fruit. This beauty produces full flavoured fruit that are highly disease resistant, and you'll get up to 3 to 4 kilograms of fruit per plant in the season. Now when planting this tomato, just like with all tomatoes, I like to plant them a fair bit deeper than they were in the pot. And this means that the plant will send roots out all along the stem. It'll give it more stability as it grows, and it'll give it better access to water and nutrients. Now, this is a tall growing variety, so it's going to need some stakes. So these ones are nice and long because these plants can grow up to 2 metres tall. So they'll need plenty of stakes. About 3 per plant is enough. And I like to put them in now when I'm planting because then it means I don't disturb the roots later on. Now, tomatoes are best planted about 50 centimetres apart, so I can squeeze a few more in here. And in just 8 to 11 weeks' time, you'll be harvesting delicious cherry tomatoes.